All right. So, mic check, mic's moving. Yup. All right. As always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Futures trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So, as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management. And again, none of this is financial advice. None of this is financial advice. It is currently 7:08 a.m. on April 15th, 2026 in beautiful Denver, Colorado. And again, one more time, not financial advice whatsoever. All of this is for educational purposes only. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. If you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button, it'd be greatly appreciated. Double tap the screen, all that good stuff. As always, it helps with the algo, gets more people up in here. Obviously, the more we have in here, the more fun it is. So you guys just got to do your part. Follow if you're new. Click that thumbs up, double tap the screen, all that greatly appreciated. Let's see. Let everybody know that we are live on the tube. Trading futures. Good morning. Morning, Brian. Good morning, Zach. Good morning, Bone. I'm True Bless, Alexander. Everybody else in the TikTok, everybody else in the tube, even if you haven't said good morning yet. Team Bull, what up? Let me share my screen with you guys. Bet. What's up, LBJ? I mean, plan for today is honestly just look for more upside. That's all we can do. We're still not at supply. We're not rejecting off any key zones. We're about 70 points from all-time highs on ES. It does, worry me a little bit that we've had 11 green days in a row, but again, that's not a reason to short, So we'll see. But ideally upside. That's the plan today. If it pulls back, maybe we'll pull back to an area of demand. Other than that, don't have anything. Upside only. Again, make sure you guys are double tapping that screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. Yeah, no. This is ES, actually. Got the rest of my arm tatted yesterday. It's finally done. Let's see, moving average, VWAP, boom, boom. All right, bet. What up? I might have to restart the TikTok. I don't think it liked my disclaimer. I'll give it 2 more minutes and then I'll restart if it's not pushing. It's really what it comes down to. You paid X amount for the account. You got a $4,500 payout. As long as that risk to reward made sense and you didn't pay $4,500 to get to that payout, then you're in the green. Something's happening with individuals. Tesla would look good over yesterday's high. What up? Oh yeah, let me post the tube in the Discord as well. Bang. Appreciate the follow. Again, if you guys could, make sure to double tap that screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. Everybody watching on the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. Helps a lot with the algo. Obviously, the more people we get in here, the more fun it is. Feel free to ask any questions. I try my best to answer all the questions, call out all my trades from start to finish. And yeah, if you guys want to tap into my tube channel where I have a full screen view, as well as my order flow, 1,800 videos teach you on how to trade, make sure to tap into the tube, BrandonTrades. Let's see. We got 15 minutes until market open. It's order flow. So aggressive orders and passive orders within the market. Okay. Bet. Good morning. Caught money trading with you the last 2 days. Decided to finally join your YouTube. Thanks for all the good content. Appreciate you. Mayfly. Take a screenshot of that. 15 minutes till market open. I'm gonna set upside. 15 minutes till market open. The entire cost of my sleeve was probably like 2,500. Like, she was super cheap. And yeah, I mean, it's, as you can see, the whole thing is done. I just finished this yesterday, finished my elbow, and then some shading somewhere up here. Fucking elbow hurt like hell, but like 2,500 for the whole thing. She's super cheap and did a super good job. What up? Good morning again. If you guys could, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. I live trade every single day for you guys, completely free. All you gotta do is follow and join. That's all I ask. And double tap the screen too. Also, if you ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid. That's, if you're trading with me, all I ask is that you use my code. Because again, the live streams are completely free. So again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, code Brandon, all caps will always get you the best possible discount. That's it. Yeah, the armpit was fucking brutal right up here. But I made it through. I'm a big boy. I did it. How we doing, Team Bull? Everybody doing good? Everybody chilling, ready to make a bag today? Yeah. Yeah, pretty much I'm looking for upside today. That's it. Upside. So no reason to reject. We're not near any supply, not near any resistance. We're pretty close to all-time highs on ES. So kind of expect that to be like our magnet on the market. So uptrend entries only, get above pre-market highs, look for continuation or some intraday setups. And then go from there. Ooh, what we got? 13 minutes. Yeah, I live trade every single day. New York and Asia. New York and Asia. I go live about 30 minutes before market open, 15 to 30 minutes for New York, and then for Asia, right as right at 6 p.m. EST is when I go live for Asia. Who's about to text? Where's value? What time frame do you prefer most? 5-minute time frame when I'm intraday trading, 5 and 2 minute. Thank you. Thank you. Man on a mission. Again, if you guys could, make sure to hit that thumbs up. We got over 100 people here in the tube and only 28 likes, so about 25% of you guys have hit that like button. Everybody on the TikTok, double tap that screen. It'd be greatly appreciated. Follow if you're new. Again, I live trade every single day for completely free. So all you guys got to do, follow, join. Follow and join. Then as always, if you ever need accounts, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Apex, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps, will always get you the best possible discount. But right now we're just waiting for the market to open. Got our levels plotted for the day. Now we just patiently wait for market open. So again, if you guys have questions, feel free to ask. Feel free to ask. Can't seem to pass an eval. Why? What keeps happening? From the UK, let's go. What's happening? Why can you not pass an eval? Talk to Papa Brando. What's up, Jake the Snake? Where's that boy GD at? I will say it looks like ES wants to nuke off the open, or maybe even before the open, for sure. I3LA, good morning. Let's hope, Jake. See if we can catch him. It does look like ES wants to pop, though. It's got that squeeze, it's holding structure. Might do it before market open. It might do it right at market open. I'd say basic support and resistance is very newbie of a strategy. Like it works in certain scenarios, but I'd say you're way better off supply and demand, previous day high, previous day low, pre-market high, pre-market low, and just using order flow to confirm those levels. I'd say you're way better off with that. Go into my tube channel and type in BrandonTrades. I'll pop right up. I got 1,800 videos teaching you on how to trade. Let's see. I trade my own capital and I trade prop accounts. So I trade them both. Let's see. I can't pass my eval because I always get upset about making such little profit the day before. So I force. I mean, really, the only thing you could do is take good trades and then use proper risk management. That's really it. Good trades, proper risk management, scale out of your positions. That's how you're going to make money trading. If you can't do that, then you know you're not going to be profitable. You got to sit there and force yourself to hold your trades. You don't have to follow the rules of a prop firm if you trade your own capital. Obviously, like you're going to risk more, but technically speaking, risk more. But Yeah, I mean, it's really personal preference at the end of the day. When you trade prop firms, it's less money up front. You can make a lot more money as far as R multiple because again, say you buy an Apex account, 50K account for 35 bucks, pay the activation fee, which is like what, 100. So all in all, you're in like 135, maybe 150, depending on activation fee. You can get like, I forget what the new rules are with the payouts, but I think it's like 12K in payouts, 12, 13, maybe 15K with the new accounts. So yeah, as far as risk to reward, 130 bucks, 150 bucks to make 12 to 15K per account. Pretty damn good R multiple if you ask me. Um, if that's your own capital, maybe like 2 to 3 MNQ. You can make a listen, you can make a lot of money with just 2 to 3 MNQ. Well, I did have a little birdie tell me that they're going to try to get rid of that 6 payout cap rule. Per account, yes. Before, so you can get 6 payouts with Apex under the new rules, and then you either start over on a different account or they move you live. Which, I mean, realistically speaking, people can sit there and complain about the 6 payout cap, but how many of you have actually gotten 6 payouts on one account in Apex? I'm sure 99% of people who complain about that actually haven't, you know? So, all right, Team Bull, you guys ready to crush it today or what? Where's that boy Gino? He's late. C, D, E, F, G. Nope, he's not in here. Bro got stuck building the shed. That's why he should have hired somebody. Because he would be here right now. ES is popping. Beautiful Colorado. There he is. About damn time, dude. What news do we have today, Team Bull? Any news? Anybody know? GD? Crude? 1030. You get stuck building that shed or what? Paperwork. What is today? Wednesday. We have home builder at 10. And then beige book at 2. I use Tradeovate for my execution when I'm trading futures, and then Thinkorswim when I'm trading options. And then I chart on Thinkorswim. But again, we have 4 minutes until market open. If you guys could, make sure to hit that like button to be greatly appreciated. Double tap that screen. Follow if you're new. Everybody on the tube, hit that thumbs up. We got like 200 people on the tube and only 50 likes. So again, find that thumbs up, click it. That's all you got to do. Subscribe, follow, hearts, and likes. All that stuff helps with the algo, especially because I do this for completely free. And again, everybody watching on the TikTok, if you guys want to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now with a full screen view, you can see my order flow, still see my face, and get access to 1,800 videos teach you on how to trade. My tube channel is BrandonTrades. So go tap in. Go tap in. And then, as always, if you guys need accounts, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Apex, and Lucid. Make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Code Brandon, all caps. But we got 2 minutes until open. Like I said, I had a feeling we were going to pop on a yes, and we are. TPT, yeah. You can trade it in the UK or use it in the UK. Sure, I'll see your thumbnail. You sent it to me on IG. IG's BrandonTrades. Like I said, we're not far from all-time high, so kind of expect that to be our magnet. Let's get it. Maybe if we can close bullish and then pull back, I'd consider longs on this next 5-minute candle. All right, let's get it. What are you guys watching on the stream today? TikTok and Tube. What you guys watching? Hoping this ES can pull back more. And hopefully NQ is not the one to bounce off the moving averages. I wanted ES. Just trying. See if we can get a bag today, everybody. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Double tap that screen. Put my blanket on. It's cold. All right, got the blanket on. Ready to rock. But yeah, double tap that screen and follow if you're new. Live trade every single day for you guys. YM's above that pre-market high. What you thinking today, GD? We are retesting the moving averages on this NQ, but I wanted ES. I wouldn't be surprised if this NQ pushes. If anything, breaking retest and pre-market high. There is a delay on both streams. That's why the Zoom is the place to be if you want no delay. But yes, just gave a new pre-market high. We're above that 18. Again, a break and retest I would consider. Just like we talked about in the pre-market, it looked like that ES wanted to push. Obviously, just no entry on my part. It still looks like NQ1's higher as well. I wouldn't be surprised if we go up to pre-market highs. Our risk is just, a little too big here. Russell's rejecting that pre-market high. YM is failing to hold that pre-market high. Everybody's still doing good. Again, if you guys are in the tube, make sure to hit that thumbs up. We got 200 of you here in the stream. 200 on the tube and only 80 likes. So let's get at least like half of you guys to hit that like button. And yup, I have no ads on the tube. I do not get paid to live stream on the tube because it's not monetized. If it was monetized, there would be ads, but no ads. Stay high is at that 26,000. Really only looking for upside today. That's all I care about. U.S. is stopping ceasefire. Did that just come out? Or is that old news? Or fake news? That just came out, Mazuka. YM's back up above that pre-market high. Russell is pushing. NQ is weak, though. All right, that just came out then. ES is above pre-market high. All-time highs on ES is at like 77.7 or something like that. Yeah, 7077.5. Every time this NQ is popping up, though, it's like coming right back down, which is interesting because all the other indices are going up. Still wouldn't be surprised if this NQ goes. Just obviously, no, I don't like to trade in the range. Break above pre-market highs, I'll consider. There we go. We got NQ above that 40. See if we can get above pre-market highs. Russell is really pushing. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button to be greatly appreciated. Everybody watching in the tube, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Everybody watching on TikTok, if you guys want a full screen view, see my order flow, still see my face, and get access to 1,800 videos teaching on how to trade, make sure to go onto the tube and type in BrandonTrades. I'll pop right up. I will pop right up. See if we get above these highs. Also watching YM on my other screen. No, there's no reason to short. Market's up. No reason to short. Isn't that crazy? We're almost back at all-time highs. Literally, bro. 2 weeks. Almost back. Russell's pulling back. Still watching the Dow. See if we can reclaim 41 on Dow. I'd consider, but NQ's pulling back. ES is getting close to that pre-market high. I'll consider maybe longs at 18. 18 to like 16 on ES. Because we're failing that pre-market high on YM. So I don't care about it. I'm gonna watch this ES for potential longs in this area. What's up? Yeah. If we can hold like this 15 and then come back up and reclaim 18. No 4-hour supply. None. Looks like we might fail it. Let's see. Yeah, no. Our potential supply would be at 41 to 50. Potential, and we already tested it. The longs are not looking like we're gonna take it. All right, so we're closing below all these key levels. Lots of volume. Only issue is, like I said, I'm not entirely interested in shorts. I just have no reason to believe that the market's going to go down right now. So, interested to see what happens today. We're rocking on the tube today. We absolutely are overextended to the upside, but equally, if we don't hit supply, how am I going to sit here and say that the market's going down? Could the market go down? Absolutely, 100%. But, if we're not in supply, then I have no reason to say that the market's going to go down until that, or until the market actually starts going down and we leave leftover supply. But again, if you guys haven't, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Hit that thumbs up, double tap the screen. All that stuff helps with the algo. And then, as always, if you guys ever need accounts, take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, Apex. Make sure you guys use discount code Brandon, all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, take Profit Trader, Lucid, and Tradeify. Use code Brandon. The streams are free. All you gotta do is tap into the streams and then interact. And again, if you ever need accounts, just use my code. That's all I ask. All right, they're trying to buy this thing back up. What you thinking, Mr. Gino? I got the lucky blanket on today, so banger is incoming. We can close bullish on this 5-minute candle and pull back to the moving averages. I like it. That's why I say you can't just base trades off of what's happening on a 5-minute time frame, because I mean that candle looks super bearish, but guess what? Nothing about the higher time frames, nothing is screaming bearish. That's why you would not short. We simply look for uptrend entries. If the market falls apart, so what? To me, there's no hint to short. Nothing. So I only care about upside till the market proves otherwise. Yep, we have news at 10. Home boater. Just let the price action tell you what's going to happen when you're in a trade. I don't have profit goals. I don't have one specific spot that I'm going to close my entire position. I let the price action dictate. Well, ES was the one that was looking strong earlier, while NQ was lagging. Now it's NQ that's looking strong, while ES is lagging. Fun times. See what individuals are doing. Tesla doesn't look too bad. Why is this thing so bright? Still think this NQ wants upside. Tesla's pushing. I prefer if we sit in this range for NQ until 10. That way we can get our 30-minute orb lining up with the pre-market high. Appreciate the follows, everybody. Appreciate the follows. Now let's get a banger trade. Hopefully. Definitely seeing some divergence between ES and NQ. For sure. Still think this NQ one's higher for sure. Tesla's really pushing. I would have liked those NQ pullbacks. The only issue was the divergence between ES and NQ. That was the only issue. All right. See if we can build a base above these pre-market highs, everybody. Tesla is ripping. Russell's popping back up. And again, if you're watching on the TikTok, make sure you guys tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. Full screen view, you can see my order flow, still see my face. I have 1,800 videos over there teaching you on how to trade. So again, tube channel, BrandonTrades, I'll pop right up. Still want to see if we build a base above that high. Did you guys take any trades yet, Team Bull? You're up 595 on the day. Fire. What? Just blew a Lucid account? Why? Why'd you blow your Lucid? You're up 500 on your live. All right. Well, you're up 500 on your live. That's okay. Whenever you get another Lucid account, make sure to use code Brandon. It's good luck. Trust me. Code Brandon. Good luck on all your evals. Use code Brandon and made 2K. There you go. Pushing into new highs now. I do like the Russell. If anybody watches that. Right now I have NQ pulled up. Let's watch this 5-minute candle close on the Russell. And then maybe a pullback. ES getting bought all the way back up after that big red candle. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Make sure to follow and hit that subscribe button if you're watching on the tube. Everybody watching on the TikTok, make sure you tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. All right, news in 5 seconds, 2 seconds. Boom. All right, bet. What you thinking, Mr. Gino? Literally, ES was the leader. NQ is lagging. Now NQ is the leader and ES is lagging. What is this shit? Team Boy, you guys take trades? Anybody? Nope. Just trying to hold that pre-market high. What's my bias? Up. No reason to be bearish. I think this QQQ wants to keep pushing for sure. I don't know. This market's been ass recently. It's been slow for sure. It's trying to hold that pre-market high though on NQ. What are you watching, Spy? I like the idea. back on the funded options too. If you guys didn't see, I got a bunch of payouts last year with funded options. Just remembered about them today. I mean, so far all green this week. So, you know, if I don't take a trade today, oh well. Chill. Wait for A plus opportunity. No, I'm not a big fan of this push up because all the other indices are following. I just don't understand why NQ is the only one going. Yes, it's so below that pre-market high. It's still open to look for the longs, but just not A plus setups yet. Still buying up this pre-market high. Key levels and price action and volume. That's really it. Yeah, post that payout. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. I live trade on here every single day, sometimes twice a day. But yeah, make sure you guys hit that follow button. I live trade. Everybody watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. If you guys are watching on TikTok, make sure to tap into my tube channel. You should know what the tube is. BrandonTrades, where I'm also live right now. Full screen view. You can see my order flow. Still see my face. 1,800 videos teach you on how to trade. All that good shit. So again, all of that is on my tube, Brandon Trades. Again, if you guys are looking to get funded as well, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discount. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Code Brandon. Vanquish is the options prop firm, yeah. Vanquish. You can use code Brandon over there as well. I think they're like 50% off right now. Kind of want to try this. I don't know. What do you think, GD? I like the reinforcement, buddy. I don't know. Like, I like it and then I don't like it at the same time. But, like, equally at the same time, the only logical move is up. It's a love-hate relationship. It's a little toxic right now with NQ, but I signed up for it. I like it. You're trying. On what? ES or NQ? No entry for me, everybody. I'm still waiting. It's a toxic relationship with NQ today, but we're going to keep watching it. Still no entry. I'd like it if we got maybe one more pullback on MNQ or NQ. Same shit. Still no entry for me. All zeros today. I think you're going to get it. It looks strong. Again, like I said, I would like one more potential pullback to this 58. Obviously, risk reward doesn't make sense up here. So if we could pull back, then I would like it. But if I get it, cool. If not, I'll sit on my hands, wait for a better setup. I'm still kind of like iffy about this. Maybe back into that 58 again. We'll see. Bro, Tesla is just fucking going. But yeah, NQ set that new high. By the time we entered, we would have only been up like 15 points so far, risking like 30. So again, let's see if we can pull back. Or maybe if we pull back into 18. Well, or worst case scenario, we look for the 30-minute orb on ES. Patiently wait now. I had a feeling I wanted to push, but like I said, it just wasn't my favorite. But 30-minute orb is definitely open on ES. Yeah, I typically wait for retest. Good shit, Mr. Gino. But yeah, let's see if we get it. We were holding that pre-market high, like I said. The only logical spot or only logical thing for us to do is go up. I just wasn't a big fan of the setup. So again, you guys have seen it many times where we get the idea right on what's going to happen. It's just, if it doesn't confirm and we don't like it, why are we going to take the trade? Because if you don't like it and you take the trade, you're going to start freaking out. So I'd rather stay patient, wait for something super high quality, and then we can take it from there. If we get something high quality. See what ES wants to do. I'm open to watching ES come back and retest that pre-market high for a potential long, or breaks above the 30-minute orb and comes back and retests the 30-minute orb for a potential long. Patience will pay, though. Some decent 5-minute volume on this candle. Pulling back into that 18, we're retesting 30-minute orb on NQ. Just a lot of volume here on this pullback. Red candle with a lot of volume. Again, let's see what happens if we pull back into the ES level, 70-18-ish. See what gold's doing. Nothing. All right, Brian, have a good one. Still want this 70-18 if we can get it. Watching 70-18 or a 30-minute orb break and retest on ES. See if we get it. We're only $50 away from all-time highs. Or 50 points, I should say. So the ES all-time highs is. I think ES is like a lot closer. Oh, yeah. ES is like $1.40. Or SPY. Sorry, I think I said ES. SPY. It's $1.40 away from all-time highs. I think, honestly, we should just go there. Realistically. Would not be surprised if that happens. All right. Trying to break above this 30-minute orb. Again, I'm trying to catch an uptrend entry today. It's just not giving me confirmation. You're going to all-time highs, bro. It's going. Very first 30 minutes of market open is what I use for my 30-minute orb. Because look at the previous 5-minute candle on NQ. I didn't like it. Like, yeah, we're pulling back to levels, but we're not getting confirmation in the price action to actually take it. See what happens with this 30-minute orb. Ideally, we hold here for one more candle. We don't really push much higher, and then we come back and test it. Get confirmation. I like the longs to take it back to all-time highs. And again, if I get my entry today, cool. If not, market's open tomorrow. Just no confirmations in the price action today so far. What's up, Brian? Watching the 30-minute orb, everybody. 30-minute orb to take it back to all-time highs. Russell still doesn't look bad either. Like, if we had some better candles on NQ, absolutely, I would have been in longs, but just no good candles. I mean, SPY is only 90 cents away from all-time highs, so I think it's realistic that we get there today. $70.24 is the level we're watching. 2 minutes till this candle closed. Ideally, this is what I wanted for a candle that we kind of just chill. And then we pull back on this next one. Hold it. Hold till all-time highs on SPY. All right, we're getting what I wanted with ES. I'm looking for a pullback to 70.25 for potential longs, everybody. 25 to 24. Or we just nuke to all-time highs, either or. Can you hear me, GD? Nice trade, buddy. Come on, get your ass down there. Are we going to get the pullback? We're almost at 7,000 on SPX. See what all-time highs is. 7,002. Give me my pullback. Do not go to all-time highs yet. Don't leave without Brando. Don't be a little bitch and hold. It's going to all-time highs, bro. $30-minute orb. Give it. Give it, give it, give it, give it. RIP to that guy that went short. All right, we're getting this fucking 30-minute orb. I'm manifesting it. I want it. I need it. And then we ride it back up in all-time highs. What? All right, this area that we want to watch. Okay, I'm going to try a really light size right here. Not really light, but like a lighter size. Be willing to add on the longs. I just don't see why we wouldn't go back to all-time highs. So, trying to catch this trend entry off this 30-minute orb. I'm willing to add if we get closer to 25. And then our first trim will be if we go into a new high day. And Q's at a new high day. Why can ES not be following? Again, just lighter size for right now. If it doesn't work out, we take a small loss. If it gives us the confirmation closer to 25, 24, we can get full size with a stop right below 24. But I don't see why this wouldn't go to all-time highs. I could be very wrong. So, this area that we need to hold. See if they can buy it up here, and I'd be willing to add. See if we hold this ADMA or not. Okay. See if we can come back up and reclaim this 24. All we did was pull back to the ADMA on NQ. So see if we reclaim 24, 25. Okay, I'm gonna add a little more right here, everybody. Add it a little more. I want to see if we can get back into that high day. If we fail to hold this 30-minute orb, I'll close it. What? I just don't see why we wouldn't go back to all-time highs. It's very realistic expectation at this point because we're so close. But if you guys don't feel comfortable, we're chilling at break even. Always like to give you guys that option. Slightly in profits. Come on. First trim is going to be at a break into new high a day. So around 33 is going to be our first trim. Give me a boner candle straight into all-time highs. Straight boner candle. Come on. Hawk candle right through my screen. What? Sing, buddy. Come on. All-time highs you go. All-time highs you go. Again, if you guys don't feel comfortable, we're slightly in profits. I always like to give you guys that option. If you don't like it, you can get out. I know my risk. Realistically, off the average, we're risking like 4 points. We do have some sellers that we have to take out up here. Yeah, it's a very nice 15-minute candle as well. Again, just realistically, I don't see why we wouldn't go back to all-time highs. I could be wrong, but we know our risk. Come on. Boner candle. Come on. I just don't understand why ES can't do what NQ is doing right now. Come on. There we go. Come on, a little more. Little more. Do have some sellers at this 32. Come on. New high day. Come on. Definitely stacking some sellers, but all it takes is one big buyer to get us through. Come on. Come on. Come on. NQ's at a new high day. Let's see if we can get it on ES. Again, if you guys want to trim, take some profits off, feel free. I would like to see us get into 33 for our first trim. So a new high day. Come on. So close, bro. There we go. Come on. Give me 33, you fucker. Yeah. All right. Trim filled. Actually, take a little more off. There we go. All right, just in case. But let's keep our stop at break even, everybody. Let's see if we can get a continuation from this. Back in all time, or yeah, all-time highs. Again, let's keep our stop at break even. You guys know the drill. Worst case scenario, we got a little bit over a 1-to-1 risk to reward, which I think that might be the case. A little over a 1-to-1 risk to reward. We stop out break even. Took off about half my position, so you know, I'll make some lunch money today. Best case scenario, we continue to push up into 697.84, which would give us another 10 points from here, which would be about a 12-point trade. But based off current price action, it's kind of looking like we might stop out break even. If that's what the market offers us today, that's what the market offers. Nothing we can do about it. Best case scenario is we nuke. I've had so many people ask me what's all-time highs today. What is it, everybody? What is all-time highs? Come on, don't stop us out. What is it on SPY? There you go. It's getting really close to the break even. Make sure you guys post and hashtag post your gains. Might not be the biggest trade so far. GD is the one that called the fucking nuker, but might not be the biggest. Make sure you guys post them up. Oops. Getting really close. All right. Sorry, everybody. I got to do this. New all-time highs for everybody in here is LGBTQ plus. Had to do it. Everybody in here. If we stop out break even, all of you. I say that as it's like a tick away. Yep. Sorry, everybody. Sorry. But yeah, I stopped out at break even. I had a feeling that we wouldn't be able to catch the largest move, just given, how much we already moved up. I'm definitely open to still looking for another trade, but got it slightly over a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Stop the rest on break even. Yeah, if you got a better average though, obviously like keep your stop break even. Depending on your average. Maybe you got in slightly lower, but keep your stop at break even. I will be salty if they stop me to the tick and then push it to all-time highs. But, take advantage of what the market has to offer and move on. This thing, I swear. Again, like I said, I would not be surprised if we go to all-time highs. That's just, that's how I manage my trades. I get my 1-to-1, slightly over, stop loss break even. We get more cool. If not, oh well. Was able to take off about half my position on that first trim. And yeah. I know. Why can ES not move like NQ right now? We'll see though. It's just a slow grind up now. We are 4 for 4 on the week. So there's that. A lot better than last week, I'll tell you that. And again, if you guys are looking to get funded, make sure to check out Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Everybody watching on the TikTok and the Tube. What you just watched is exactly what I do every single day. I call out all my trades, everything that I'm watching. All you guys got to do is follow, subscribe, and join. That's it. Follow, subscribe, and join. And again, if you ever need an account, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Use discount code Brandon, all caps. Usually 1 trade a day, maybe 2. It just depends on the day and the opportunity within the market. Sometimes I could end up taking 3. It depends. Opportunity. But from my experience, typically on most days, the way that I trade, the market offers me 1 setup a day based on how I trade. Team Bull, though, if you guys got them gains either from GD or me, make sure to post and hashtag post your gains and add us. At me and GD. Good stuff. At me and GD. Does anybody got questions though while we're chilling? No, we already took the trade. We already took the trade. Me and GD both had winners today. NQ supply, no supply. No supply. If it's a 1 hour supply, it's super old. What is NQ at right now? 25, 26158, 26158. 26158, so that's 25526. No, no supply on the 1 hour. Come on, Cokes. No supply on the 1 hour. Are you a Team Bull member, Wendy? Should be able to. Maybe close your Discord and then open it back up. Try that. Any questions you guys got though? Took a trade tonight using my setup on MNQ and made a great profit. Fire. New to the channel. Let's go. Again, I still think this one's all-time highs. It's just being a pain in the ass, but we'll probably just get one random boner candle out of nowhere and it'll push up into new all-time highs. Would not be surprised. Put this phone on the charger. All right. I trade every single day, live. You can join me in the Zoom and Team Bull. You can join me on TikTok. You can join me on the Tube. But every day I'm live. What's today? Today's Wednesday. Waiting for my barber to get here. No, I literally don't have any rejects. Literally just mark it up. That's been the bias all day, is up. Probably hang around for like another 20, 30 minutes, depending on how long everybody stays. Obviously, if you guys start leaving, then I'm gonna leave, but I'll stick around for now. Again, if you guys got them, hashtag post your gains at me and GD. At me and GD. No questions? If you get the 50K eval, yes, it's 3K to pass. 50K eval, 3K to pass. Obviously, use code Brandon in all caps. Depends what I get done today if I trade Asia, but if I do, it's as soon as Asia opens at 6 p.m. EST. That's why I don't trade through TradingView. Trading through TradingView is ass. Use Trade Apex, yes, you can pass in a day. Yes. Yes, sir. And again, if you guys haven't already, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. We literally got our trim at the top of that candle on that pop-up. Literally the top. No, why would we do that? Jake? You're just asking to get burnt. It'd be the WAP. They full port the minis. It's literally what they do. Let's see. I've been risking 100 or less on my 500 accounts, up around 700, 3K. Just add one extra contract. Once you feel comfortable and you're consistent, then add another one, and then another. Should I get a My Funded Futures code for you guys? I've had a lot of people tell me to get one. I'll sign up right now. Let's see. This is not what I wanted. Apply to get it. Any other questions you guys got? They asked too many questions for this shit. I think I talked with them previously too. I just never got a code with them. Pass your eval. Let's go. That dude said he went short earlier at like 26,100 or whatever. He's getting man, I think it was lower than that actually. 26,051 or something like that. That boy's getting demolished. Yeah, like I said, I don't see why we wouldn't go to the all-time high. Yep. Breaking into a new high right there. Let's see if it continues. Questions, Team Bull? Anybody? Damn, nobody. All right, I'm gonna leave in 10 minutes. Would like to see this at least go to all-time highs. One-on-one. So he's down like 80 points. Oh, that's why you don't short unless there's key levels, everybody. Key levels only. Nope, no daily profit or weekly profit that I aim for. I just let the market dictate what happens. I take good setups, and what I make is what I make, or what I lose is what I lose. Can't do anything other than take good trades and use proper risk. But I'm actually end the TikTok. If you guys want to tap into my YouTube channel, you can. Again, my YouTube is BrandonTrades. I'm live over there every single day. I'm going to try to be live for Asia. We'll see. 50-50. But yeah, I think we go see this all-time high. I don't see why we wouldn't. So, again, if you guys want to tap into the YouTube, BrandonTrades, Other than that, TikTok, have a good one, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. All right, we're still going to stay live here on YouTube. It's $1 million question right there, Mo. Could range, it could go higher, it could sweep it and come back down. I don't know. Only one way to find out. $0.50 away from all-time highs on SPY. Again, it could or it could not. I don't know. We don't know. There's only one way to find out, and that's by trading it. Only one way to find out. SPX is at 7,000 as well. I think all-time highs on SPX 7,002. So pretty much all-time highs. Yup. Still going. All-time highs. It's pretty much right there. Should I give away some funded accounts on Instagram today? I think I should. Do I think futures would be good to trade long term? Of course. See how many codes I have left. Four. Actually, hold on. I think two. I think I owe two people codes. Yeah. Yeah. It's only gambling if you don't know what you're doing. You're just taking dumb trades. Have I been muted this whole time? Have I been talking and been muted? When did I mute? Bruh. When did I even mute? I don't even remember clicking the mute button. I was saying, I think this is going to go to all-time highs, but I'm going to take the profit that I made and fuck off for the day. So I might be live for Asia tonight. We'll see. Yeah, everybody have an amazing day. As always, if you guys need accounts, Take Profit Trader, Apex, Tradeify, Lucid. Make sure you guys use discount code Brandon in all caps. But yeah, again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid. Use code Brandon all caps. I appreciate you guys. Everybody have an amazing day, and I will talk to you guys for Asia if I'm on. Peace out, fam.